welcome back. We are back on the boat. This will be Zatara season 2. We're on a new boat, and we're so excited for all the things that are going to happen once we get this boat closed and in our name, so that we can own it and we can outfit it. And so we're really excited to be here. Glad you're still with us.
Once again, guys, we are in Greece. We are still in the small town of Pythagoria on the island of Samos. And it's a beautiful little island, beautiful little town of Pythagoria. We've been here, I've been here for 2 months now, 2.5 months. The wife and kids have been here for 4 or 5 weeks now. And we've been really enjoying our time here. We are almost closing on a boat. We are about, as of today, as this video rolls out, we're about 15 days away from all of final paperwork being done, everything being complete, and it being our boat. The deal could still fall apart, but we're pretty certain it's going to be our boat. If I had to walk away now, I'd be in tears. And I think y'all would too.
This is taking forever to get this done.
Forever.
And it's a big deal. It's a big purchase, a big decision. So I hope that you understand why we've kind of taken some time off of videos. I've kind of focused on the kids and homeschooling and the transition between the old boat and this boat. And so I would have loved to record everything in between all of this, but it just takes a lot of time. So I hope that you understand kind of where we're coming from, but we're back now, and we're here to share our story and what we've gone through and get back out on the water.
What we ended up buying, or will have bought when we close, is a 2006 585 Privilege. They're made in France. It's a French boat. This boat was owned by one owner, a guy out of England, really nice man, and him and his wife owned it for 12 years, single owner, and so the boat has been in really great shape. We won't start our full episodes for another 4 or 5 weeks, as we don't have any stock footage to roll of sailing, and we know that most people want to see sailing and diving and operating the boat, issues with the boat. So for the next 4, 5, 6 weeks, we're going to have Z-logs coming out, and we're going to talk about technical stuff on the boat, talk about the things we went through on the boat, such as we'll have an episode, a Z-log, especially for boat brokers, what I learned about boat brokers, what I wouldn't do with boat brokers, what I would do with boat brokers. We're going to have an episode slated for insurance brokers, the things I've learned and what I've gone through there.
The kids have helped kind of fix some things up and do some projects, so hopefully they'll allow us to put some of that on video, and for all you families out there, kind of see what our kids have been involved in and doing while we've been off camera.
This boat came with a Go Fast dinghy, and I know all you guys who watched me in the Pacific knew that I was needing a Go Fast dinghy for my big family and all of our gear and all of our scuba. We're going to have a session just on Go Fast dinghies, just because I'm excited. Boys with toys. Yeah. Oh, it's going to be fun.
We're going to load it up with people and scuba gear and all kinds of things.
Yes.
So many activities we can do.
So many activities. We built bunk beds on the Go Fast dinghy.
There's so many activities.
You know. So anyway, next week's episode, we are going to do a tour of the boat on the Z-logs. So our plan is to sail around Greece. We want to be leaving and heading for the Canary Islands and Cape Verde sometime in November, December. And we'll cross back over to the Caribbean, which will be in the Caribbean from December on up to January, February. And from then, we probably plan to go back down to Panama and back out in the South Pacific again. We've got our container coming from Australia. That's taken some time getting our container from Australia here, and it's on its way, so we're waiting on that. That's got about another 3 weeks before it gets here.
And everything in the container is the stuff from the old boat.
Which is our diving gear.
Everything that we
kite boards, everything we have that we need to make great videos and have a story to tell is in that container. So that's why we're doing Z-logs instead of true episodes, and we'll crank out the first episode as soon as we get some good video. I wanted to talk about our Z store a little bit. We got some negative feedback on our Z store, and I want to tell people why we set that up. We set that up as a homeschooling subject for our children. Our oldest children, Jack and Anna, manage and run that. Basically, Anna manages and runs that, and it's for them to learn how to do business, how to sell a product, how to market a product, and how to manage a product and keep track of things, and
the accounting and the taxes and all of that.
All of those things go along with that, and we had lots of subscribers who wanted to buy gear and wanted Z gear, and so we put that together. It's not a money-making scheme for us. We're not trying to get y'all to support us out here on the ocean. We don't need you to support us out here on the ocean, except for the great comments and the haters. We love the hate comments. We love you guys.
But it is nice to see a few things come in when the kids see, oh, hey, we made $10 last month on stuff that they did and they set up and they designed. And so it's a really good learning experience, and it just keeps our motivation going a little. But I really think this boat, once you get to learn more about it and see, it took us a really long time to find this boat, and I think it'll be great for our family. It's got lots of room. It's got a lot of the features that we want. We do need to do a little bit of customizing, but it's a great boat, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So.
And we're going to go into details on all the Z-Logs, but I have to be careful about some of the things I talk about until we're fully closed on the boat, until I'm done with boat brokers, until I'm done with insurance companies, until I'm done with selling my other boats. So, you know, we want to make sure all those things have taken place and happened, and then I can talk in more detail about our experience, the play-by-play actions, what took place, what happened, what went on, what we liked about the things we experienced, and what we didn't like. So we love the boat. The 585 Privilege is just an excellent boat. A great boat for us for the next 5 or 10 years. And y'all remember little Kate?
And we still have the same crew as we did before.
The same crew. And
they've all grown up a little bit, and you will see that very soon.
That's right. Thanks for watching, guys, and we appreciate everybody waiting and staying tuned and staying loyal, and we hope we get some great videos coming your way. We will have some great videos coming your way and a great story, and stay tuned for the next Z-Logs, and hopefully in 5 or 6 weeks we're going to have the episodes airing again with the full stories and everything like that. So once again, thanks so much, and we've missed all you guys, and we look forward to the videos coming out, and you guys too.
All right, see ya.